Ase engwana yaye omorai bwense Dr. Ruto nigo airanirimbia monogochia ase abakenya na boigo kwene kibuna nachikoleta amagendero ase enseito boigo nigo aralia bene gochikobwaterana n'echinse chaisiko elinde kwene kibuna banyare kwa bakwegendereria omurikito Ndemo Steven norobotiro ase nchira igiyobwikiranu.
Egeti kiemesangikano kia Moi Stadium Kasarani nigo geichora abakenya n'abageni bechinse chaisiko gwetania kerengo kia abantu chiri bwe 50 nemo aba bakerori asogotiane gukwae Dr. William Samoei Ruto buno murayo gatano bwense ya Kenya. Omuroberi bwo kwego kinigora una bwatani au abara amone chibendi cha matera cha banyanyimbo abateri bense ya Kenya amone kwa ya Zablon Singers. Magega yogotianigu omokonyi bo murairi Gadi Gashagwa nigachengero gotianigu kwabo asaichaniro kungsana kwabo chinga kiche campaign.
Poor people will never again be evicted in brutal evictions by state agencies. And I say, freedom is here. Let every Kenyan be prepared to work hard. Let us give our new president a chance, and I beg you to be patient with him.
William Ruto ensema eniga kireko koyoko ene kyobosi bole webombe byetenderete bya serikali ogotianigu kwa bana chebina bete tigu ne kamati ya Judicial Service Commission amo na koleta abakenya bonsi amo bwanchiri bonde bwansi bwetaiyo.
To further demonstrate my commitment to the independence of the judiciary, this afternoon I will appoint the 6 judges already nominated for appointment to the Court of Appeal.
Asa mangana rengete kerengo kyobo gimana uchumi Ruto nigachikiro keigu kwa magori ya moyo gochakire wiki erebosio amo nemero beliende barabe bakweneki elio gotoria ekerengo kyobo gima.
For the short rains, we have already made arrangements to make 1.4 million bags of fertilizer available at Kenya shillings 3,500 for a 50 kilogram bag, down from the current 6,500.
Chinga kiechie chunigachi kiro okoirana kwa bokoreri bwe port ase county ya Mombasa amona kulina kwena kibuno moroberi OCBC nonyaleko bo moroberi oyo abayiboli barabe bagwisane kanoro.
I will be issuing instructions for clearing of goods and other attendant operational issues to revert to the port of Mombasa as I made a commitment, and in particular the implementation of CBC curriculum. Public participation is critical in this matter.
Kuripoti liagetaseni kia Ndizi TV elietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mwana sana omurikito Ndemo Steven as